What are you doing? You were just beating up that pillow. You don't want to beat it up anymore? You done? You're a goon. You're a goon, Dilly. What are you doing? What did you do to your hair? What did you do to your hair, crazy boy? Oh my goodness, you all messed up. You are nuts. You are nuts. What you doing, handsome boy? Huh? You just staring at the trees moving around outside? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, I guess you're done with your pillow, huh? You all done? You all done playing with your pillow? What happened, honey? Something wrong with your hand? What are you doing? Look here, little bug. What are you doing crawling around? Oh, you see something under the couch? I'm sure you do. You throw a lot of your things under there. Is that your monkey? Is that your monkey? See you later. Bye.